Hello and welcome back to another macro day here on Scriptcase by Jamie, and today we're going to explore the SC button or BTN insert macro. And this macro is designed to check if the insert button has been pressed within a form application. So it's pretty useful for triggering specific processes or validations just before new records have been added into your database. So let's dive into how you can use this macro to control insert operations within your Scriptcase applications. Okay, so we are back here with another macro day, and we have the SC button insert today. And this macro, well, as I said, it lets you know if somebody has clicked that insert button, and then you can perform something before, after, during, whenever you like. It determines if the insert button has been clicked in any type of form. Well, there is only one form, right? It's ideal for performing pre-insert validations, logging, or initiating additional processes that need to maybe happen just before the data has been committed to your database. And how to use it? Well, just like I have here, this very simple one line. The syntax is so simple, it is SC button insert, BTN for the button. And just like the SC button delete, it returns a boolean as true or false, false or true, just one or the other and nothing else ever. And it's as simple as that. And just like the SC button delete, we can use it in a very similar fashion. And that is very nice to know, because we just take here our macro, place it here into our if statement, and just again we can then add in here our message or our error message, and then stop maybe the insert process from happening or process something else. So we could of course add our if else statement in between here and adding some additional conditions and logic to maybe provide some extra checks, availability, whatever it may be, the choice is yours. And just like the SC button delete, it works the same way. So if you want to watch an example, be sure to watch last week's macro, because last week I showed you the SC button delete and it's identical. The only difference is that was the delete button. This is for the insert button. And that is of course very important. So the SC button macro is crucial in applications that require complex data integrity, checks, or maybe conditional logic prior to the data entry. It does ensure that only valid, verified data has been added to the database, also enhancing the reliability and functionality of your applications. And that is of course a wrap on the SC button insert macro. So incorporating this macro into your Scriptcase applications allows for sophisticated data handling and validation processes, ensuring that new entries meet all those required conditions that you have just before being added. How awesome is that? Okay, so if you found this little mini tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, comment below. Whatever it is you want to do, you go ahead and do it. Watch some more videos, learn some more Scriptcase, whatever it is. I'm also here to help you. Just send me a message. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next week Friday right here on Scriptcase by Jamie with another macro day.